Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Franklin County, Northeastern Ripley County, Northeastern Dearborn County, Northwestern Hamilton County, Southwestern Butler County, until 1:30 a.m. At 1:03 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oldenburg, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oxford, Harrison, Batesville, Brookville, Bright, Oldenburg, Lake Santee, Riley, New Haven, Metamora, St. Leon, Scipio, West Harrison, Cedar Grove, Mount Carmel, Huntersville, Hamburg, Rockdale, Interstate 74 at U.S. Route 52 in Peppertown. This includes the following interstates: I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 171. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 1. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.